Number continues to go up. The governor has announced new restrictions to put distance between people to help slow the spread of the virus.
WMAR 2 News' Jeff Hager takes a look at some further clamps down on our mass transit system.
Life as you know it is about to change even more here in Maryland if you depend on public transit. Most people are already hesitant to ride in close quarters for fear of contracting a deadly virus, unless they have no choice.
No, I had to go to the doctor today. That's the only reason I'm out now, but I've been pretty much just staying in the house.
Faced with a steep rise in cases of COVID-19, Governor Larry Hogan took further aim at the state's mass transit, making it off limits except for what he deemed essential travel.
No one should get on a MARC train, Metro, Amtrak train, or bus, or any of our transportation assets, unless you are an emergency personnel, a frontline healthcare provider, or your job is essential to the supply chain.
For those who rely solely upon public transportation, it represents an additional challenge to a service that has already been cut back to a weekend or holiday schedule.
Oh my God, traveling is kind of a little hard because of, it's kind of like they doing a little quarantine with the transportation. Now you got to get on the bus at the back and they got chains.
The news came as no surprise to Aaron Carpenter of Baltimore Highland.
I work for MTA myself. I work for the mobility and stuff like that. Even that, they shut down 50% of our service as well, and they closed over 124 routes.
Carpenter says MTA mobility is limited to patients on dialysis, the hospitals, medical appointments, and the grocery stores. But even with a job requiring increased restrictions on its passengers, he never imagined it would impact him when he showed up at the hospital on Wednesday for the birth of his third child, a baby boy.
We can't even have nobody come up and see the baby. It's only the parents. Their siblings can't even come up and see the baby.
They are the costs of social distancing as the virus spread, all for the sake of public health. Reporting in downtown Baltimore, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.